The is not used everywhere, Nitu. And
Yes.
since we just have 1 minute, I will not go about the topic. But do you follow Clippingo on Instagram?
No.
Just go to YouTube and find this video for usage of the by Clappingo. Okay, there is a small video. Just go through it once. Okay,
Okay.
because we don't use it in front of every word that you use it in all. That's not the way to go
Okay.
about it. Okay, I will
Yes,
put in a
yes,
note
yes.
because I think a minute is very less. The is generally used before very specific names. Okay, and not in front of proper nouns. So I'm sorry. Just give me a second. I'm sorry. So just go through that video once, okay? It is a very easy video and you'll be able to stick to it. So that is one thing. And just practice those sentences into, sorry, those words into sentences. So they'll automatically come to your vocabulary when you're talking about anything, okay? So like
Yes, yes.
violate is one word you've learned today. And there are other words also you can use. Social word, as I said, for pronunciation, you can use
Yes,
and just Google a little about the usage of the. I would rather suggest go to a Clippingo video because they're easy. If you find
yes.
any other thing also, you can follow that. We have no issues. If you're following anything
Actually,
else,
yes, yes. I know the uses of articles, but I told you that when I come to the talk, anyone, I forgot all the rules. Oh, I
no
uses
problem.
a, I
No
mess up
problem.
all the things. I don't know why.
No problem. No problem. Like now also you use the which is not required. Actually, when I start speaking to someone, I forget all the rules. Okay. When I start
Yes,
speaking to someone, I forget all. No problem, that happens. Nothing to worry about,
yes,
Neetu. You're already
yes,
doing a
yes,
very good job.
yes.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're already doing a very good job. I'm very happy. And as far as confidence
Okay,
is concerned, we're talking for the first time, and look how confident you are. So don't worry. Okay?
okay. Thank
It will
you.
all
Nice to
fall
talk
into
to you,
place.
Neha.
Same here, same here. This will end any moment. I'm not sure it is on auto disconnect. So
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not saying that whatever you were saying was wrong, but it's just that it's always good to go through a video rather than reading because it
Okay.
explains it in a better way. Okay.
Yes,
So that is what my point is. Okay.
okay.
So how you're a homemaker otherwise or you're working, Neetu?
Oh no, I'm homemaker. Currently, I am preparing for teaching examinations.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
That's
studying
nice.
now. Yes,
That's nice. So you will be a primary school teacher after the exam or middle
yes,
level or what?
yes, yes. I'm preparing from primary level and TGT level also
Okay.
for the
Okay.
both examination. Yes.
That's good. That's good. So what's your subject for TGT?
My subject is English for
Wow,
TGT.
that's nice. That's nice. That's really nice. So I can imagine that you know the rules. You know, the problem is that when we are in school, they do not teach us this thing called phonetics, which influences our pronunciation a lot. Phonetics is that when A and E come together, how does it sound? Nobody teaches us that. So
Yes, yes.
that is one major problem that there is with the education system, I believe. Now it is
Yes,
changing.
even teacher uses also they are also pronounced wrong.
Yeah,
So so
I
we
know.
are used to speak like them,
Yeah, we get used to speak like them because
yes,
we are following them. So
following them. Yes, yes,
now since we are interacting, I will not say follow us, but just try and pick up whatever good words or whatever good sentences we form, because it's not a teacher student thing. We are friends, but then again, if somebody's you think is doing something in a nicer way, we can always try and pick up things, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So this is still going on. So we can talk about a few more things. I have no issues. Do you have anything scheduled, like anything else scheduled? Because I cannot disconnect it, and I'm happy talking to you. So there is no
Okay,
problem.
no problem. No, I I have not any schedules. I am studying. Okay, currently I was practicing some root words before the session, and
Okay.
yes,
So this is something that I've observed, that the C voice comes here also in session. It is also sure, like social. Session is also sure, session. Okay.
Sure. Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah, now you're correct. Session, social. So whatever words start with S, just remember this. I have observed this. I don't know if there is a rule or not. This is just my observation, that any word that starts with S and has C or S followed by, the sound automatically changes to sh. Like session is there, social is there. If there is a gap in between, if there
Yes.
is no gap, then I don't know. But this is what I've observed basically. I don't know if there is a rule. I'll try and look up for it though.
Actually, it comes subconsciously in my mouth.
It will
Yeah.
happen with you also, no problem. I told you, once you practice any word into sentences once or twice, you start getting the hang of it. So there
Yes.
is
One thing, Neha, I want to ask that I can practice by myself also and
yes,
record it. And yes,
yes, you can do that. Stand in front of the mirror, you can record yourself. What will happen is you will be able to play it back for you, and you will be able to recognize your own mistakes
yes.
because
Some,
you already know the rules.
yes, yes. Sometimes after speaking, I know what I have done the mistake in that in the sentence, but it is not in practice. So I'm practicing only few days before. So it comes to like this. I'm studying English for last many years, but I'm not practicing.
No problem. That happens because English as a language is not spoken in our surroundings.
Yes, yes,
So that is why any language for that matter. Why do we know Hindi or in your matter Bhojpuri so well? Because we talk in it. We are always talking in it. So we do not talk in English. So that is why it does not come to us very naturally. But we can learn it. Obviously, it's a language. We can learn it. So no problem. Just record yourself. You'll get to know the mistake and you can correct it again. Re-record yourself. See if it comes to you naturally or not. Okay,
yes.
and just start thinking in English. I know you already do, but try with small little things at home. You can label things that play.
Actually, I thinking in a correct way. When I think something, it comes any very. I frame a very good sentence and it's an use vocab also. But I'm not using when I'm speaking. I'm not using that type of word, and it not. I can't frame a big sentence like I can't frame, but I can't. You mean I mean to say it not comes to my tongue.
No problem. It will start coming. There is no issue with it. It will start coming. Like you just said, when you're thinking, you frame a beautiful sentence. So when somebody talks to you, I know, I understand that the flow might not be that adequate, but think for a while. You can take 1 or 2 seconds, frame the sentence, and then it can come out. That
Yes,
is, there is no issue. You don't have to show the other person that you're thinking. Okay,
yes.
just frame it well in your mind, and you can, go about it. There is no problem.
Okay, Neha, what do you, it might means to say that you are only clapping go doing?
As of now, yes, because of the pandemic, I'm only working with Sapingo,
Yes,
and I have been working with Tech Mahindra before this, but due to this pandemic, I was at home. But I like Clippingo. I get to interact
yes,
with
yes,
so many people.
yes, yes. It is very good to interact with new people, na?
It is, it
Yes,
is.
yes, yes. Yes, I also very much fond of people to talk to them and to, I have a friendly nature, so I like to interact the different type of peoples and know their ideas about, yeah, and share also share
Share
my
vibes.
ideas to them. Yes,
That's really nice. That's really nice. So it is like there is another word I want you to work on, which is people. You mix pupil and people together. Just it is people. People.
yes,
You sound should not come. Okay. People.
people.
Yeah. That's the right word.
Yes,
Yeah.
people is for students. Yes, I know people. Pupil is for used for students.
No, it's pupil is one. Pupil is one. Pupil or person means one. People means a lot of them. So pupil is singular and people is plural. So
But
when
the
you
spelling
see,
is same, yeah?
no, Pupil is pupil and People is people.
Okay.
So
Okay.
see, when you interact, you learn so many new things. Like you know there is a word pupil, but you don't know how it is used. That's the only
Yes,
issue. There's no other issue. So we just need to work upon these small little things. Okay.
yes, I know when I will continue my practice, so it will definitely come to me. I will definitely be proficient in English one day.
Proficient. Again,
Profi-
proficient. It is sure. Again,
Proficient.
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 Sure. Yeah. Sure. Proficient. सी आई है ना वहां पे भी नीतू. सो सोशल में भी सी आई है. यहाँ पे भी सी आई
Okay.
है स्पेलिंग में. तो इट विल बी श्योर ओनली.
Yeah,
Social
I have to
proficient.
work a lot on my pronunciation. I know
Not
by
a
this
lot. Not a lot.
session.
Not a lot. See, we've been talking for good 30 minutes. There is three things I've told you for pronunciation. So it's not a lot. We'll figure it out word by word. We'll figure it out with phonetics by phonetics. So it'll happen. What
Yes,
happens is one rule applies to a lot of things. So if you practice that, so a lot of words will come in eventually together. Okay. So it's not a lot. Don't think of it as a lot, because when you think of it as a lot, it gets
yes,
nahi, ye to
yes.
nahi hoga.
Actually, yeah. I have also some work, so I am not practicing very much, but I I I will try my best to do something for my English.
That's all. You're already doing a lot. The effort really matters. You're already doing a lot. You know a lot of it. You like you know the building blocks, but when you try and build the building, it just goes a little here and there. It's not much, and you're already doing a good job. That's what I told you in the starting also. I did not know that you're an English teacher, but I told you in the starting as well. So there might be a few things that you know better than me, because I might not be aware of those basic ground rules. Okay, but then it's just the pronunciation and your presentation of it
Yes,
what needs to be worked on. So we're
yes.
already down a lot of things. You already know a lot of things. There is two things that you want to have to work on. So it's not a lot. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. May
Just
you have some other work also. It's going on now.
yeah, just give me a second. I think there is some technical error. Let me just give me 1 second. Okay, let me just tell the team once.
Okay.
I don't know. I think Clippingo wants us to keep on talking. Into they're liking the conversation.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, it's it's
I'm
going
sure.
on very long. Yeah.
I'm sure you have some work. Yeah, I was. It's been 30
Actually, I
minutes.
don't have any work. It is my study time, and I feel very happy to talk to you. I have learned a lot of things to you. Yeah,
From you. I have learned a lot of things from you.
from you. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me
So
just see
actually,
what.
one thing I want to say you that you have a very friendly nature.
Uh, I think when you're talking to somebody and you want that person to open up to you, so you should give this. You should be like this. You're like, if you're a teacher, you know this, right? If you're a strict teacher, the students will not come up with their problems to you, right?
Yeah. They will afraid to they will afraid to ask anything and they feel something like the type students.
Yeah.
It's come. I used to teach before earlier when I was not married. Then I have also teach some I think 1 year for a
Okay.
so then I feel there that when we are very much friendly to the student, they ask many more questions, and it is
Right.
very necessary. Yes,
It is.
yes.
It
When
is.
they will not, when they will afraid, they will become, they will sit in the corner and do not ask anything, and they
Right.
will not, if, even they are not understanding the topic what the teacher told to them. So even they are not able to ask
Right.
because of fear. Yes.
Yes.
I won't want to be a teacher like I also want to be a friendly. I always smile and students very much like me. And then they are
I'm sure they like you because I like you. We already learned. It's just been some time. And
yes,
I just wanted
Neha. Yes,
yeah, tell me.
yes. I want to ask from where you are.
I'm from Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. Mountain areas are there. Yeah.
Yes, mountain areas are there. It's quite a nice place to stay. It's
Yes.
not very
Yes. Yes.
fast.
Yes.
Not
I
very
wish
fast.
that I visited some time there.
Do come over, no problem. It's a nice place. Let the
Yeah.
pandemic settle down a little. Let the corona thing go a little. Then travel outside. But do visit sometime. It's a nice place. So even your kid will enjoy.
Yes. This type
So
of I like hill stations, like mountain areas, and I like that type of places.
I like beach areas because I've been living here since. I mean, I'm born in Himachal, so I like beach areas more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay. No problem. I may leave. So
no, I think just give me 1 second. The person has replied. I think there is some issues with the AutoCAD. Tell learner that the time is exhausted and you need to end the session. Yeah, that is what I was thinking. Uh, okay. I don't mind. I can talk to you for another hour, but there are some time durations that we have to stick to, Neetu.
yes,
So
yes, they will definitely. Yeah.
so
Even some tutors always when it comes to 15 to 20 minutes, they ask for leave the session, and you continue talking to me, and it is very nice.
no, I don't. I didn't. When the session auto cuts also, no, sometimes I'm not able to say bye, so I feel bad about it. So here I'm able to say bye also, and we've talked a lot otherwise. So just focus a little on the things I told you, and best of luck for the next session. And hope to see you sometime
Thank
soon,
you.
Neetu. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you,
Bye bye.
Neha. Bye
Bye.
bye.